Somebody want to try? You want to try? This is my first time recording video tape, so I'm very nervous.
Which kind? This is salmon.
Salmon,
right?
Yeah, salmon. Salmon.
You're skillful on that.
Ahmed, I think I should. Oh, you're vegetarian? Michael, look. The way he's doing the sushi.
Have you ever seen that again?
No, never.
Oh my god.
This is a work of art. You are an artist.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm a good teacher.
Yes, I am.
I'm a good teacher,
Yes.
and you are a good sushi maker.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
we are
I am.
no, we strike a balance in that case. Oh, what is this meat?
No, it's a tuna.
It's tuna.
Oh,
Yeah, so later I gotta make a tuna sushi for you.
just a second, Sebastian. Why don't you work at the table? Because I'm having a hard time videotaping you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you know.
Alexandra, you wanna try? How to cut the fish?
Yeah, to learn how to cut it.
Yeah? Wanna try?
Where is your ladies' room?
I just cleaned it, you know. This is Sebastian. He's cutting the cucumber in a very intricate way, which I've never seen in my life. So this is, for me, it's amazing. Yes, behind Sebastian is Valentina. And here is Alexander. Sebastian is demonstrating how to make sushi and how to start it from scratch. And he's a highly professional person, and he works in this profession. You say it's easier for me to videotape right now. Yeah, Sebastian is highly professional in this. And so let me pan the camera this way. That's Ahmed. Ahmed is one of my students. And he's also videotaping because he wants to teach his wife how to do it.
So it's good. It's good size. Very good
So this
size.
is Alexandra. Wow, Alexandra is learning so fast, faster than learning English.
Oh, she's so,
So
good.
Michael, yeah,
Yeah.
Michael is also
Yeah.
Michael is
Yeah.
also a professional sushi maker. So here is how to slice.
Okay, it's okay.
This is tuna.
Right here.
Michael, what kind of fish is this?
It's tuna.
Yes, I just want it on video. So there.
Sebastian, are you ready?
Almost.
So that's Michael and Valentina. Valentina, just say hi to people. Okay. Oh my
So
God.
you cut every cucumber? Yeah. No. I need a plate, please.
Plate?
Yep, please.
Please give him a plate. Okay then. Yes. This is Andres, my new
Hey.
student. My new
Hello.
student. He's my new student. He's from Colombia.
Hey guys. Very careful.
Okay, look at what Sebastian did. Sebastian, what is it? What kind of vegetable is it?
It's a cucumber. It's a cucumber, a very thin cut.
Why did
cucumber.
why did you remove the peel? Why did you peel it off?
Because the sushi is always It looks like beauty.
Oh, it's more beautiful if you
it's
peel it off.
When I make the sushi, this way is more than beautiful.
It's so beautiful how you made it. Valentina, you like how Sebastian did it?
I like.
You like to taste, not to look, right?
I like watch
Okay.
how Sebastian did it.
I'm gonna do
The sushi shape.
So here I'm watching Sebastian. Sebastian is cutting. Oh my goodness, that looks awesome. This is Sebastian, my student from South
Ой,
Korea.
я-
Yes, look at this.
Oh my god.
This is Valentina. This is amazing.
Yeah. So good. Valentina works.
I don't.
Valentina, don't speak.
Don't speak. Don't video make.
Wow, Sebastian, I love what you're doing.
They are professional in this.
Yeah, no, they work in this profession.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, both of them.
They know how to do it.
Sometimes Michael cannot make a video. Sometimes Michael cannot come on Monday because he has to make sushi at 10:30.
Для что, головы не видно?
Меня так же.
I make video, know your face.
I need my face, that's why I gave you the camera. Mama,
Sorry.
no, in my country. Look, Alexandra, it's so professional. Wow, lovely.
Сзади уже машина. I'm also not a professional. I would impressed. I don't know. Nearly impressed. Ой, sorry.
Hello. Sebastian, I'm impressed. Oh my god, beautiful.
Ты
Wow,
знаешь, что impressed?
this is lovely. Oh my god, look at this. Oh
Удивлен.
look at the shrimp. The camarón.
Also, they know if I'm shy because I can't help with anything.
Somebody hold this table, please.
No, come. Yes, yes.
Аванс.
No, I have to do it.
Аванс. Я так написала ему.
А этот надо, типа,
Thank you.
Michael, you're a professional. I'm gonna send you to level 6.
короче, красиво.
The same picture? Same picture, I will go.
Oh my god. If it is the same teacher, I will go. Sebastian is carefully slicing the crunchy, delicious, juicy cucumbers.
Looks amazing, yeah?
Oh my god, look at this! Wow, beautiful! Wow, Michael, you know, we have to open a restaurant together.
That's a good idea.
Wow, amazing!
So, can you microwave the rice?
Oh, rice?
Yeah.
Microwave?
Yeah. What door?
What is
Oh. Okay,
Beautiful, beautiful presentation.
It's a pyramid.
What is it?
It's a pyramid, imitation pyramid.
Not real.
It's not real.
Yeah, I know.
It's not real.
No, but the flavor is real.
Yeah, flavor is like
Flavor
permit,
is
but
like
it's
that.
not
It's
real.
imitation crab meat.
Not a keeper, right?
So did you bring any sauce?
What kind of
Sauce?
what kind of meat this is?
Yeah.
Crab.
Yeah, but you tell me
Like
that.
Congrejo,
like
congrejo.
a powder.
Oh,
Sorry, apologies.
like arena,
Yeah.
and they put crab.
Not too much crab. It's like a mix or something like that.
No, crab flavor.
This is enough.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, not too hot.
Is it hot or not?
Alexandra, I think you should take pictures and send them to me. They have sweets. On your phone?
Sorry.
No, because or maybe Andres. Andres, are you able to take pictures?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because I can mix it with a video.
Okay.
I made a spice.
I'm taking some pictures.
Spice sauce.
Yeah, please, but take beautiful pictures.
You can make a creamy salad.
Not in front of salad?
Yeah, you want to? Yeah, if you want, just make it.
Michael and Sebastian are collaborating in teaching us how to make sushi.
So I'm making some roll. Some roll. So what kind of roll?
This is salmon.
Salmon, tuna roll. Is it
And
tuna?
this is
Yeah, tuna,
what,
you can
what
make
kind
it.
of?
Coming
Like a
tuna.
tuna
Yeah,
avocado.
tuna.
So this is rice. They had to microwave it to make it softer. Sebastian, why do you have to microwave the rice?
We need the warm rice.
Okay, we need a warm rice to
the
make it
temperature.
easier.
Yeah, the temperature for the rice.
Is very important.
It's very good for like a 30 degree.
Wow.
28 to 32 degree. That's a very good for sushi. But not too hot.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't be that too hot.
Wow. Look at the shape of the salmon. It looks like shrimp. Look at what Michael is doing.
I'm making a salmon sushi right now.
Did you make this rice first or you buy it?
As a Sebastian,
He cooked it, right?
Yeah, I made it.
we cooked it and mixed the sushi vinegar mixed together.
And Michael and Sebastian, is it usual that people in your profession wear masks while doing something like this? While making
Not
sushi?
really, but it's good for when I'm making the food.
Good practice.
Yeah.
Good practice of food.
No, to wear a mask. You know,
Yeah,
like-
it's a good practice to make food.
yes. Okay.
They have to say because in my country.
Yeah, if you. Okay.
Oh.
I'm gonna make a roll. So,
Alexandra,
guys, what you like it?
You don't have to do it.
Okay.
Have you done sushi before? Oh my god. You?
Alexandra, do you want to borrow my shower cap? Shower cap.
Yeah.
Okay. Ahmed, please. I'm gonna get her a shower cap. Excuse me.
Young people.
Alessandro.
Shower.
I'll check it. Yeah.
Oh my god. Looks very good.
Professional.
Yeah.
That's very good.
So Alexander, you wanna making sushi or making a roll?
Alexander says, I'm not making sushi, I'm taking a shower.